Good evening, everyone. In behalf of our family, I'd like to welcome you all on this very special occasion, the 88th birthday of our beloved nanay, si Chang.
Alam naman natin na ang age ng nanay, 88. It is very meaningful lalo na sa Chinese tradition. It's called Lucky 88, which means double happiness and double blessings. And tonight, we are here to celebrate not just Chang's long life, but also the love and joys and has shared with all of us through the years. At syempre, hindi lang double blessings tonight, baka double din ang saya at ang ating kainan natin mamaya. Kaya huwag mahiya, busugin natin ang sarili natin at saya para sulit ang Lucky 88.
Maraming salamat po for being with us tonight. Let us enjoy and have the celebration truly memories for our dearest nanay, our Chang.
Palakpakan naman tayo dyan. Salamat sa lahat ng mga dumalo, lalo na sa Pamilya Banal, sa mga pinsan ko, sa mga friends ko. Salamat sa inyong sa pagdalo. Happy birthday, nanay.
Happy birthday, Nay. Wish you all the best and good health, especially at sana more blessing to come, and hope see you on
Next year or after 2 years.
or on 27 on your 90th
Birthday.
birthday. Bye-bye, Nanay. We love you.